Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Bear 1700 watt air fryer. This has a large 5.5 litre capacity. This was very kindly sent out to me. Link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I'll take everything out the box. We'll have a look around the air fryer, and then of course we will do some air frying as well. But before we start, remember, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. We get some paperwork, a warranty card, get a standard 12 months warranty with this product. They've included a recipe booklet. Had a quick flick through, they've got some delicious recipes in here. The instruction booklet, which is in different languages, and it's well written. This it explains everything in detail. I really like the look of this Bear air fryer. It will fit in any kitchen. It's got some branding there, Bear. That's what the top looks like. At the back, that's the air outlet. So when you use your air fryer, make sure that's not pushed against the wall. Keep it away. It has a fixed cord, and this cord is slightly longer than the other kitchen appliances I've reviewed, which is a good thing. At the bottom, it has 4 non-slip pads. It's got some information there. It's letting us know it's a 5.5 litre capacity, 1700 watts, made in China. It has good build quality, this. I'll remove the basket. That's the 5.5 litre basket. The basket and the drawer are non-stick. That's what it looks like from the bottom. To release the basket, this clear switch, you slide it forward, you could see the eject sign there. Push on that, and then the basket would lift out. You could wash all this in warm soapy water. If I show you the drawer, that's what that looks like. Place it back, it would only go in one way. Just push it down. Okay, let's turn it on. I've plugged it into the mains, and as you can see, the power sign has come up. Push on that. It's all touchscreen, this. By default, it's at 180 temperature and 10 minutes. It has 7 presets, but you are able to override the presets temperature and time. So if you look at the booklet here, it's showing us French fries, 200 temperature and 20 minutes time, but you could move that up and down if you want, and steak and chicken and so on. Before using the air fryer, it's recommended to preheat it for 5 minutes, leaving the temperature at 200. You control the temperature from the left side, as you can see. If you long press it, it will go faster. And then of course, same for moving the temperature up. You could also change the time as well. So if it's going 9 minutes, 7 minutes, you could take it up as well. And rather than just pushing the button, like so, if you hold it, it would move quicker. This button here, that's the menu button that has the 7 presets stored. If you push that, see the fries symbol has started flashing. If I wanted to leave it as it is at 220 minutes, I'd just push this button and it would start. If I want to do steak, I push it again, the steak would come up. That's come up at 180 temperature and it's 8 minutes, but I can override it like so. I could control the temperature as well. If I push the menu button again, we're on chicken, cake, and back to fries. You could also put a timer on this as well. So say if I were to press the menu button, the fries, and if I were to push that, I could select the time. It goes from 720 minutes to 15 minutes. So just push start. It will start after 720 minutes. Once you've selected a mode and you push start, the fan icon will start blinking to let you know it's in use now. It is quite loud though, but all air fryers are loud. I have reviewed different air fryers on my channel. I'll link them down below if you want to watch them, and I would also link them in the iCard. I really like the display. Okay, what I'll do is I'll wash the basket and the drawer, and then we'll get on with some air frying. The first thing we need to do is preheat the air fryer. Turn it on, go up to 200. That's 200 degrees Celsius. Time 5 minutes. Push start. You can see that's flashing. Once it stops, it will bleep to let us know that it's stopped, and then we can add our food. It's just finished preheating. Now we can add our food. So we will be air frying some chips. By default, the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius and the time is 20 minutes. But it's important to remember, majority of cooking appliance, it's trial and error. So it's a good thing we can override the default times. This is the first time I've seen instructions for air frying on food packaging. Normally it's deep fry or oven. Preheat the air fryer, which I've done. It says place your chips into the basket, which we're going to do. And here it says leave it on for 9 minutes. As you can see, they spread it out evenly. So I'll push the on button, I'll pick fries. It's 200 degrees Celsius and the time will be 20 minutes. But I'm going to put that down to 10 minutes. It said 9 on the packet, but I'm leaving it for 10 minutes and I will of course check on them as well. Now I just press start. Another thing I forgot to mention, we're not using any oil. You can do if you want to, but we never use oil when we're doing chips or fish fingers, because I'll be doing fish fingers next. We're 5 minutes in now. Just take this out. As you can see there. Back in. That's good. But when I took the basket out, it paused and then it's restarted again when I've put the basket back in. Just move my tripod down. Yeah. Just break one. Done. Just break another one. You could see nice and fluffy from inside and crispy on the outside. If you want them more crispy, you could have them more crispy. If you want them less crispy, you could have them less crispy. Next, we'll be air frying some fish fingers. At the back of the fish fingers, there's no instructions for air frying them. There's only instructions for gas or grill. Our other air fryer, that's 1750 watts. We leave that on 180 degrees Celsius and the time we leave it between 13 to 12 minutes. That's what I'll be doing on this air fryer, the bare one. But this bare one is 1700 watts. But because it's already warm, that should be enough. But if we need to, we can adjust the time and temperature as well. I forgot to show you, the basket doesn't need washing. I'm just going to carry on with the same one. It's non-stick, it's really easy to clean this. So just push the start button. There's 7 minutes remaining, but I could hear the fish fingers sizzling, so I thought we'll have a look. They're done, as you can see there. Just get one out and put it in a plate. It's cooked on both sides. Just cut it from the middle. Yeah, it's cooked. Yeah, because the air fryer was warm, it didn't take long at all. I'm just going to leave them in a minute longer. just to make them a bit more crispier. It's been another minute. I'll take them out now. Just move the tripod down, apologies. Yeah, they look nice and golden now. Again, we didn't use any oil. You can do if you want, that's up to you. It is recommended to use a bit of oil in some of the recipes. Like if you were going to make chips with fresh potatoes, then it's recommended to use a bit of oil. I'll just take this out. If I just cut the fish in half. You could see it's cooked. It was cooked before, but I wanted them slightly crispier, so I added another minute on. If I just show you the basket, all we're going to do with this is soak it for 10 to 15 minutes in warm water, warm soapy water, and then just use a sponge and clean it off. That's it. Really easy to clean. In this video, we only showed 2 items. However, we will be doing more videos. Stay tuned for that. It's a really good air fryer with a large capacity. It's easy to clean. Link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. Hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.